Okay, so in this problem, we've got a review of an ideal gas law, and it asks us at what temperature would 367 occupy at 67.5 liters if the pressure is 115 kPa. So I'm going to set this up and start out, this is a straight up PV equals nRT. No problem. My pressure, 115 kPa. My volume is 67.5 liters. That's going to equal my moles, 3.67 moles. R is, in this case, I've got kPa, so R is going to be my 8.31 liter kPa per mole Kelvin times T down here. And if I want to isolate that, I want to get my T by itself, I'm going to take, and pardon my units, but I'm going to take the 115 times the 67.5. I'm going to divide that by 3.67 and 8.31. And if I do that, I'm going to get 255 Kelvin, because this was in moles Kelvin. And if it asked for it, it didn't. It just said at what temperature. But if I wanted it in Celsius, I'd subtract 273, and I'd get a minus 17 degrees Celsius. So you got two answers right there. There's a good ideal gas law review.